Toyota Harrier 2018 to 2023 version. Okay, this is a low spec version. Original is come with a 6.95 inch Toyota size universal player. So now it changed to the 10.1 inch Senpai Android GPS big screen player. So this model is 2K screen, 4+64, 8-core processor. So it's a 10.1 inch, so 464, 2K, DSP EQ, and TS18 version. Android 12, 2K screen, QLED, AHD camera input, a 4G SIM card slot, and a Carplay Android Auto. Support Carplay Android Auto. Okay, and a connect to the Kogo AHD night view reverse camera. Let me show you for the reverse. So the reverse line can turn on off from the player. It's got a GPS antenna with hidden inside the dashboard, and a 4G SIM card slot. So you can insert the 4G SIM, data SIM, you can direct online, or you can share your phone hotspot, connect the player Wi-Fi for internet. Another 2 slot is a USB port to connect USB pen drive, or USB portable portable hard disk, or USB DVR driving video recorder. It's come with a 4G antenna we fixed already hidden inside the pillar. So this is a 2K screen Android big screen player. So left hand side is no any button, but you can use it from here. Okay. A full menu. Bluetooth. So you have to connect your phone Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After pairing, you can connect to the music icon for Bluetooth music, or you can use for the T-Link function. T-Link for CarPlay or Android Auto. YouTube, Waze, Spotify, all can download from Play Store. Just log in your Gmail to download app from Play Store. Steering wheel control. A DSP. So 48 band DSP equalizer adjust. Preset channel. Normal, heavy metal, vocal, or you can select it. If you want to reset, just press for the normal. Okay, or default. Okay, full menu, setting. So Wi-Fi network, you have to turn on Wi-Fi, connect your phone hotspot for internet, or you can insert a 4G SIM card slot, turn on the mobile data. Display, brightness setting, a different wallpaper, sleep time, general sleep time, no sleep, that means no standby, or you can set for a 2 hours standby, 1 day standby. audio setting, reverse setting, reverse mirror, so left right screen turn left right, okay, and a reverse line ruler, so you can turn on and off for the reverse ruler. AHD select, AHD or NTSC select, system, factory setting, 1 2 3 4 5 6, factory setting, select model. If your car model is a high spec model, you have to set for the CAN bus. So for this car model, Harrier 2019 XU60, this is low spec version, is no need to set the CAN bus. If you're high spec with JBL, you have to set the CAN bus. Panel key, change your boot logo or touch area key. About, so this is TS18 version, Octa core, 8-core processor, 1.6 GHz, sound processor AK7604, and radio is 4755, Bluetooth 5.0, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, and a screen resolution 2000 x 1002. This is 2K screen. Android version 12. A Wi-Fi support 5.0 to connect. Clear apps, create one by one, or click for the clear all and a split screen function. Left right screen. A radio, okay, so this is a Harrier 2019 XU60. So this is a full set casing, a big casing. .1-inch 2K screen, 8-core processor, QLED. Installed by 1bis. Video by Andy. Kogo AHD camera. Senpai Android player. Our shop location in Kawasan, Perindustrian, Balakong, Seri, Kembangan, Selangor. Welcome, pay a visit. Thank you.